Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go over how you can actually display the listings you want on your website. So if I come over here, like the hour listings, you could also have open houses and upcoming listings, all of that. Some MLSs will show areas, not even close, especially if your MLS covers a huge area. You may have listings that are 4 hours away from you. So I want to be able to show you how to control what shows up on your website as well as on these carousels on that home page. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over into our BoldTrail. We're going to go to the web and IDX. Make sure you're on the correct scope if you're a team leader or admin. And we are going to go down. Let me move this little button here. And we're going to go down to the listings, which usually I can see it there, but I'm not right there. There we go. If I just come down to listings, or you can scroll all the way down, you're going to see another hot topic is what listings will display on your website. So if you do commercial property and you don't have something showing up, this is the first place you're going to go, to these listings. I come over here. If you have multiple MLSs, you can toggle this on and decide which one. If a listing is in both MLSs or multiple MLSs, you choose which one is your primary by just up and down. And then coverage area. So I have Brevard County because I have Stellar. Stellar covers an enormous amount of Florida. I don't want, Tampa listings that are, on the other side of the state showing up. So I can go over to coverage area and you just start typing in your counties. That way, those are the only listings that will show up on your listings. If I come up here to listing carousels, you saw I only have my listings, which will bring over my office listings because I don't have any. But I could come over here and just say just listed, save that. And I could say open houses, save that. I'm usually into the reduced, not saying, hey, look where all the agents are. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. Once you change those settings, it'll automatically change over. So because I only have my Brevard County, I'm not going to see all the other counties on there. But that's how you can change the carousels, what listings are actually going to show up on your website, and the areas that are on your website. So hopefully that helps. Thanks, guys.